I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to remove a Honda Accord door panel. To begin, gather your essential tools. You'll need a panel removal tool, which is crucial for prying without damage, along with a trusty Phillips head screwdriver. Don't forget a small flathead screwdriver for those tighter spots, and a soft cloth to protect your car's interior surfaces during the process. Having these ready makes the job much smoother. Next, let's tackle the fasteners. Start by locating and removing the screw positioned behind the interior door handle. Then, carefully use your flathead screwdriver to gently pry up the power window switch panel. Once that's loose, you'll find additional screws underneath it. Unscrew these to further loosen the panel. Take your time with each step to avoid any accidental damage to the trim. Now it's time to release the clips holding the main panel. Take your panel removal tool and begin to gently pry around the edges of the door panel. You'll hear the clips pop as they release. Work your way around the entire perimeter until all the clips are free. Once all clips are detached, carefully lift the entire door panel upwards to separate it from the door frame. Finally, with the panel loose, you'll need to disconnect the remaining attachments. First, carefully detach the door handle cables from the back of the panel. There are usually two. Then, unplug any electrical connectors that are still attached, such as those for the power windows or speakers. Once everything is disconnected, set the panel aside in a safe place where it won't get scratched or damaged.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.